As the bus drove off, Blue heard her say, "Mustn't be late for school today." Down the road went little Blue, still wishing he were a school bus too. They were almost home when Blue said, "Toad, that's Piggy crying by the road." "Oink, oink, I'm late," poor Piggy wept. "I missed the bus. I overslept." "Beep, beep, don't cry," said little Blue. "Climb in, let's see what I can do. By now the bus is way ahead. We'll take another way instead." Blue made a turn and left the road. "Hang on, Piggy, hang on, Toad. I know a path right through this wood. I'll get you there like a school bus should."